Welcome to giapaapa channel. Thank you.
Hello kids, let's learn farm animals' names by playing crosswords. Can you guess what animal name comes here? D-O-G, dog. It's dog. Can you guess what animal name comes here? C-O-W, cow. It's cow. Can you guess what animal name comes here? R-O-O-S-T-E-R, rooster. It's rooster. Can you guess what animal name comes here? D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. It's donkey. Can you guess what animal name comes here? S-H-E-E-P, sheep. It's sheep. Can you guess what animal name comes here? B-I-R-D, bird. It's bird. Can you guess what animal name comes here? C-A-T, cat. It's cat. Can you guess what animal name comes here? H-E-N, hen. It's hen. Can you guess what animal name comes here? H-O-R-S-E, horse. It's horse. Can you guess what animal name comes here? P-I-G, pig. It's pig. Can you guess what animal name comes here? G-O-O-S-E, goose. It's goose. Can you guess what animal name comes here? G-O-A-T, goat. It's goat. Can you guess what animal name comes here? R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. It's rabbit. Can you guess what animal name comes here? D-U-C-K, duck. It's duck. Can you guess what animal name comes here? T-U-R-K-E-Y, turkey. It's turkey.
Cepat peninggal. Cepat peninggal. Thank you. Bye bye.